everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Happy holidays, happy holidays. I'm so happy that you have stopped by my channel to check out what I'm up to. Well guys, today is an open playlist. It's an open playlist. It's a foodie grocery haul. And it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, My Mountain Home and Kitchen, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. This happened yesterday. It happened on the second Monday. So usually it's the second and I believe the fourth Mondays of the month. The fourth Monday of the month, this month will be Christmas. So I don't think they'll be hosting it then. But anyway, this was happening yesterday, so I'm a little late because I just went to the store today. So I'm just going to share with you some of the things I picked up on my foodie grocery haul. So I got these a couple of weeks ago, probably now maybe 6 weeks ago, 6 weeks, and they just stayed in the pantry and my son opened them up and they actually were a big hit. They are Glory seasoned Southern style green beans. So let me let you see these. And so if you haven't tried them, you might want to try them. I mean, you know, it was really a big hit. You don't have to season them. All you do is put them in the pan and that's about it. You might want to add some better than bouillon because I always do that. I told you guys that. So if you haven't tried it, you might want to try that. Then I got several different varieties of the Campbell's Chunky soups because I like to eat soup in the wintertime, not so much in the summer, but in the wintertime I do. And I went to Walmart today, and so these were $1.88. Now, at some of the other stores, so here in Texas, they have a store called Tom Thumb, which I believe is under the same umbrella for the company that also serves Safeway. Now the Safeway in Maryland, sometimes these are almost $3 a can. They may be like maybe $2.87. These were $1.88 in Walmart. So if you like chunky, Campbell's Chunky soups, you know, they have quite a few varieties. So I got some soup. Then I have some Mahatma jasmine rice, and what I particularly like about this rice is it's a long grain rice, but it's nice and fluffy. So I do like that. And so what I plan to make with this is, excuse me, some shrimp. I'm gonna have shrimp, rice, and peas. Peas and rice. That's what they have in the island, Mon. Some peas and rice. That's what I like, peas and rice. So that's what I'm gonna have here. Shrimp, peas, and rice. So I got 2 bags of that, and that's a cakewalk to make. So if you come home from work, you don't feel like cooking, anything, I always say anything is better than eating out, and that's quick to fix. The other thing that I got was ground turkey. So this was, I want to say $4.93 a pack. I don't know if you guys think that's reasonable compared to wherever you buy it. But I bought 2 packs of that, and then one night we'll have turkey burgers. Okay, so, you know, we'll have that. Okay, then, let's see. Now, let me ask y'all something. Do y'all swine and dine? Because I swine and dine sometimes, particularly in the morning. Like, I like bacon, like I do eat turkey bacon, but it's just something about swine. I like swine. I swine and dine. But my son won't. He won't do it. So I got some bacon, some original Oscar Mayer naturally hardwood smoked bacon. So that's what I have here. And sometimes I'll make a BLT sandwich in the afternoon. I mean, you know, that's what I do. I got some little Roma tomatoes. Now, for those in my family who don't swine and dine, I got some Butterball turkey sausage, okay? So I got that for them. I got some Oscar Mayer chicken breast lunch meat because, you know, like I said, I prefer to eat at home. And even if I'm going out to work or something, I'll just pack a little sandwich, you know, and I'll eat that. It's better than getting all the greasy stuff that you get out at a fast food restaurant. And there's not enough healthy food options. You know, and then plus the fact, like, I get sick of Chick-fil-A. I mean, like, I like it once in a while, but you know, it's like you get sick of Chick-fil-A. And I don't even like their fries. I do like McDonald's fries though. But anyway, you know, when I want to stay in here and just eat my sandwiches, that's what I do. So I got the chicken breast. And then I got some pancake mix. I can't believe it's not butter. Ketchup, Staples, Heinz 57. And then, remember, I think I talked about this on a previous foodie haul. Like, I've tried the Kroger brand of French vanilla. I've tried International Delight, and I've tried this Great Value coffee cream of French vanilla. Can you believe, to me, this tastes better than the Kroger brand of French vanilla. I think it almost tastes just as good as the International Delight French vanilla. So you get more, you get 64 fluid ounces, and it's less money than International Delight, and it tastes just as good. So I got that. I have some oatmeal, because I do that in the morning, you know, so that has protein in it. Then I have some iceberg lettuce, which I have spinach in the fridge, so I mix that with my spinach or kale, so I mix it together. And then I have some Caesar salad. This is a salad kit, I got that. Then I got some snacks, Cheez-Its, original. I got one last week that had, I think it was cheddar and jalapeno. I didn't like that at all, so I won't make that mistake again. So then I got some Febreze plugins. This is a limited edition, and this is called Cranberry Crumble. So I got that. Then I got some Glad Force Flex Max Strength trash bags. And I like these because they smell nice. They hold the trash in, wrap it up, boom, put it in the trash canister outside. And then I got some game. So that wraps it up for my foodie haul, you guys. I hope that all of this stuff costs $144. I think if I would have bought this at Tom Thumb, it would probably cost $184. That's why it is, worth going to Walmart, because you can save a few pennies. Now, if you're going in there looking for like a prime rib, no. If you're going in there looking for some really nice produce, but this kind of stuff, you could do Walmart, $144, and food is expensive. Okay, guys, you all have a wonderful holiday season. So check out the other ladies, check out their contribution to this foodie haul grocery list. And I hope that you found this video useful and enjoyable to watch. If you did, please subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. I really am trying to grow my channel, guys, so help me out. I would really appreciate it. Happy holidays! Until the next one, bye-bye.